you want to open the other ones before we actually open this box?
Oh, your favorite though, that room.
Nope. Garbage.
Yeah, she's got the hang of it.
There you go. Rip it up. Hot dog.
And to think, it said duct tape.
You duct taped these?
You couldn't tell, could you? You couldn't tell it was duct tape, could you?
No.
Nope, I did a really good job. Pretty shocked.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
You got some more shirts?
Cute pair of shorts that are adorable.
You got some cute shirts. You got some panties too. Hot stuff. We're gonna open those later. Look, you got some more in there. Some shorts. Good deal.
Those are cute.
Looks just like them.
Oh, now you got duct tape. There it is.
Listen,
Pull up your pants.
listen.
What?
Are you excited?
Oh.
Where did she hear soccer from? Maybe Uncle George will go hit the ball with you.
From Riley. We've been talking to her about soccer for a while. She's kind of started in the fall. And it's through the Lafayette Soccer Association. Lafayette Youth Soccer Association. Are you excited about that? You get to kick it around?
I'd want a white ball with like pink dots. like hot pink with glitter.
Hot dog.
Well, we have something else too. Like, you have a big box over there. You know what's in that big box? Can you guess? It's going to go in the backyard. We have to put it together. No. It's a swing set.
Riley.
Maybe if you ask Uncle George really nicely, he'll go put it up.
Uncle George and Dad.
And Uncle Jim.
And Uncle Jim. It's not a swimming pool, sweetheart.
Sandbox.
It's a sandbox.
Our sucker goes on top of it, so it doesn't get dirty.
Right.
Yeah.
Where's the sand?
Look at that.
In the back of the car.
What do you want, Dad?
Don't y'all love buying gifts like that? Not the spare bedroom.
Yeah.
We have a tarp.
That sounds like an excellent idea.
It's 2
We're going to have to do something with the dog.